Okay, so we are trying to upgrade today Lenovo ThinkCentre M93Z. So we just removed the thing for no reason really, because it comes out, but you press this, take it out, and then you grab two of these on the side and remove the cover. So, and we are upgrading today the RAM, which is here. So we take the model number from the RAM and then order new RAM to replace it. The RAM comes out like this, easy, both sides, remove it out, and then take the model number, which in this case is 4 gigabytes 1R×8 PC3L. Once you get the new RAM, you open it again and then you install the RAM back. That's it. If you wanted to upgrade the hard drive, then you take the hard drive off from here and then replace it and then upgrade it. To install it back, easy, just put the cover again, just align it properly on the sides, and here and here. That's it. And then put back cover. All done.